Okay, number 4. I highlight number 4 here because this, as opposed to number 2, asks, are impervious surfaces within the site boundaries free from tracking, sediments, pollutants, or stockpiles? Okay, so number 4 is talking about paved areas or impervious surfaces within the site boundary. So this is often the case when you have a subdivision and they have now paved the roads inside the subdivision. Those are now impervious surfaces within the area. Number 4 has the option for not applicable. If you are just starting your site and there are no paved surfaces within the site boundaries, then you would select not applicable here. We're only looking for paved or impervious surfaces inside the site boundaries on number 4. We're going to check to make sure that there are no sediments, pollutants, or stockpiles on those areas.